Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to import Lightroom presets or DNG file from Google Drive to your Lightroom CC app. So the first thing that we need to do is open your Google Drive app, then select the presets or DNG file that you want to import to your Lightroom CC app. Click the three dots or the options button and then select download. Let's wait until the download is being completed, and then let's do the same thing to the other presets or DNG files. Once all the files or DNG files are downloaded, let's open the Lightroom CC app. Choose all photos and then click add photos. There you go. You see all the raw files. Select the raw files, that is the DNG files that we have downloaded recently. And now let's wait. So now we successfully imported the 4 presets, and then select the first one, click the 3 dots, and then choose create preset. Now you can make a preset name. Velvet Meadow. Okay, and then you can also select a preset group. I choose user preset, and then click check, and do the same thing to the next 3 presets. Once done, click add photos, then choose your preferred photos that you want to add a preset or filter. Once you click the photo, you can now add the preset that you created recently. So click the user presets, and there you go. You see all the presets that you've set. So I'll first choose the Velvet Meadow, the first one. You can also top it for the before and after results. You can also change the preset of each images by just clicking the 3 dots in the upper right corner and then copy preset and then paste preset, paste settings. Just paste it, and there you go. Is automatically changed. So next, let's change the preset to the other photos so we can apply it to the 4 photos or images that we imported recently. so aesthetic. So that's it. Easy to import presets and apply it to your images. So that's for today. Thank you so much for watching and hope you learned something from me. Bye bye.